Brandon Greene, your forever car guy here at Fairway Ford, bringing you this 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum all-wheel drive. It is certified pre-owned with a gold certification, basically giving you a better warranty than if you were to buy brand new. It extends your 3-year, 36,000 mile comprehensive warranty, 12 months or 12,000 miles. Since this vehicle was just titled last month, it basically gives you 41 months or up to 48,000 miles of full comprehensive coverage, along with 7 years, 100,000 miles of your powertrain coverage. This thing's loaded to the gills. Check out this panel roof. The interior is unbelievable. You have suede upon leather, just gorgeous two-tone perforated leather with the platinum emblem right in the center there. There's your panoramic roof. You got power pedals, keyless entry, cruise control, memory seats, memory steering wheel, memory mirrors, Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's also got BlueCruise, where it's going to drive the truck basically for you on the highway. Brake controller for your towing. I mean, this thing just has it all. Check out these back seats. Tons of room back there for 3. And I just love every single aspect of this truck. If you have any questions on it, please don't hesitate to give me a call, 330-510-9613. Again, that's 330-510-9613. But check out some of these other features like the FRUNK, all controlled from your remote. You walk up to it and it's going to automatically open. Tons of storage space that you won't find in any regular size pickup. More storage underneath, and it's got outlets here that you can plug in basically anything you want. There's a little light to turn on the lights if it's dark out. It's not only power opening, it is power holding as well. As we creep around to the rear, check out this carbonized gray exterior. You got your running boards, 22-inch platinum wheels. The rear tailgate is also power, down and up. It's got the tailgate extender, so you can easily get in. All your measurements here on the tailgate as well. The Pro OnBoard, basically a generator on your truck. Power your tools, power anything you want. There's a 220 volt and 3 spray and bed liner, and so much more. Again, if you have any questions, 330-510-9613. As always, thank you for the opportunity to earn your business trust with me, your forever car guy, here at Fairway Ford.